Hey guys, I'm Nisa Homey. Today I'm sharing a healthy and fiber-rich weight gain breakfast smoothie recipe made without dairy milk or refined sugar. Ideal as a quick breakfast on those busy mornings. So let's get started with the recipe. To make this smoothie, I have already soaked overnight a handful or about 8 to 10 almonds, 2 dry figs which I have soaked overnight, 2 walnuts soaked overnight. Now the reason why you need to soak these dry fruits is to help release the phytic acid content in them. Phytates are nutrient inhibitors which may cause digestive issues to some people. Always make sure that you soak the almonds and then peel the skin before using them. As you can see, the almonds has sprouted a little when it was soaked, which helps to unlock all the nutrients in the almonds. Into my blender jar, I am adding in the soaked and peeled almonds, 1 cup or 1 glass of water, 1.5 tablespoon roasted peanuts, 2 overnight soaked walnuts, 2 overnight soaked fig. So I'm just tearing and adding the fig. 1 soft medjool dates. Medjool dates are really soft, hence I like to use them in my recipes. However, if you're not using soft medjool dates, you may need to soak them in water for about 10 to 15 minutes and then add it into the blender jar. For flavor, I'm adding in seeds of 2 cardamoms. Now, if you don't prefer the flavor of cardamoms, you can use a small piece of cinnamon instead. I'm using 1 ripe banana. Here I'm using Kerala variety of banana which is known as Nendran, and it is relatively smaller in size than the usual bananas you get in the market. Add the bananas into the blender jar. And now I'm going to blend this on high speed until everything is nicely mixed and blended well. Pour the blended creamy smoothie into a serving glass. For an added crunch, I'm sprinkling in 1 teaspoon raw cacao nibs. This is entirely optional. And my super healthy weight gain smoothie is ready to serve. So guys, do try this healthy smoothie recipe and let me know in the comments how it turned out. Thank you for watching, and until next time, take care. Bye bye.